Hi, it's Denise Mai. Today I'm here at District Northwest, the Presale located here in the heart of downtown Surrey. We've got two towers for you today. The first one in the west has completely sold out. The second tower, which is the North Tower, consists of 39 stories of studios, 1 bedrooms, up to 2 bedrooms and dens, and we're going to give you an exclusive tour today.
The location couldn't be more prime. You get these beautiful, unobstructed mountain views from the north side of the tower. You're in between the Gateway and Surrey Central Station, and also only 5 minutes away from the amenities of Surrey Central.
Welcome to the sneak peek of this 2-bedroom unit. We're currently in unit D1. They range from 615 to 823 square feet. This color scheme is the dark night scheme. So we have full-size appliances, 30-inch fridge and freezer, as well as a sleek modern electric cooktop and oven. We also have designer engineered quartz and of course a cooler stainless steel fixture and undermount sink.
These homes offer one of the best value for Surrey. It's got smart floor plans, well thought out design elements, 9-foot tall ceilings, air conditioning and heating throughout that's included in the monthly strata fee. I'm standing here in their 1-bedroom and den that's finished in the light scheme.
District Northwest offers over 30,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor amenities for your exclusive use. The development includes a multi-purpose room, theater, business center, and a high-tech fitness facility for your active lifestyle. From basketball courts to a kids' playground, this development has it all.
And if you want more information or to book a private viewing, feel free to contact any one of us here at the My Group. We're more than happy to set one up for you.